Bajaj Allianz Life. Quick quote. Bajaj Allianz Life Quick Quote is an instant online tool that allows individuals to get a life insurance premium estimate within minutes. This feature helps users compare different plans and choose the best life insurance policy based on their financial needs and coverage preferences. With Bajaj Allianz's Quick Quote, you can easily determine the cost of your policy without any lengthy paperwork or agent consultations. 1. How to get a Bajaj Allianz Life Quick Quote. Step 1. Visit the official Bajaj Allianz life insurance website. Step 2. Click on the Quick Quote option or the Premium Calculator tool. Step 3. Enter your basic details such as age, gender, and income. Step 4. Choose the type of life insurance plan you want: term, ULIP, endowment, etc. Step 5. Select the desired sum assured and policy term. Step 6. Review the estimated premium and customize it by adding riders if needed. Step 7. Proceed to apply or save the quote for later reference. 2. Benefits of using the Quick Quote tool. Bajaj Allianz's Quick Quote feature provides instant premium estimates, allowing users to make quick decisions without waiting for manual calculations. It saves time and offers transparency in pricing. 3. Factors affecting your Quick Quote estimate. Your premium estimate depends on several factors, including your age, coverage amount, policy term, and health condition. Adding optional riders like critical illness or accidental death benefits can also impact the final quote. 4. Comparing different life insurance plans. The Quick Quote tool enables users to compare different life insurance plans side by side. Whether you're looking for a low-cost term plan or an investment-linked ULIP, you can evaluate multiple options before making a decision. 5. Customizing your policy based on needs. With the Quick Quote tool, you can adjust the policy sum assured, tenure, and additional riders to see how different configurations affect your premium. This helps in selecting a plan that fits your financial goals. 6. Easy online application process. Once you receive a Quick Quote, you can proceed with an online application in just a few clicks. Bajaj Allianz offers a simple and secure digital process to complete the purchase without visiting a branch. 7. No need for agent assistance. With the Bajaj Allianz Quick Quote tool, users can independently check life insurance rates without needing an agent's help. However, customer support is available for those who need further guidance. Bajaj Allianz Life Quick Quote makes it easy to get an instant premium estimate and choose the right life insurance policy. Compare, customize, and secure your financial future with just a few clicks. Would you like to see how much you can save by switching to Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance today? Click on the link in the description below.